Yo, what's going on, guys? Every Damon here. Now today I'm just going to show you guys how to basically reset your scheduled maintenance like message. So when you turn your car on, you basically see a maintenance required. Now if you already got your maintenance done or whatever, like your oil change or like I guess air filter or whatever, like your common like maintenance stuff, then and the dealer or the mechanic forgot to reset it, all you gotta do is press that back button right there. I got a little back button, and then scroll down like this, and then into your settings, go into the vehicle settings, you hold the OK button, and then you click the schedule and reset data, and there you go. That's literally how to remove that message. That way it doesn't show up every time you turn the car on, and it usually turns on every like 4,000 or 5,000 miles. So if I start my car back up again, no message. So yeah, peace.